Hello everyone, today we're going to learn about matter and measurement, particularly matter and its structure. So the first thing we want to make sure we define is what is matter. Matter is defined as anything that has mass and takes up space. And there are basically different types of matter that we're going to be identifying from the microscopic scale. Obviously you know about atoms, you know about molecules, you have molecules of elements, so that being the same. There's molecules of compounds, and there's mixtures of elements in a compound. And so matter can be arranged in any of these phases. Most of the time we deal with over here, or sometimes we'll get a pure substance that's just all molecules. And so make sure you understand the differences between all four of those. Now of course some examples of matter. You can see over here we got oxygen, which is a diatomic molecule. We got water, H2O. You got carbon dioxide, CO2. Ethanol is C2H5OH, sorry. Ethylene glycol we'll learn about when we get to some organics. And then aspirin, if you're just kind of curious what it looks like, that's what it looks like. That's how it helps your heart and all that other stuff. And so atoms are the building blocks of matter. And we use atoms to actually build whatever we want to build. Each element is made of the same kind of atom. And a compound, by definition, is made of two or more different kinds of atoms. So, of course, and as long as you have a pure substance considered an element, I mean, as long as you have two of the same atoms or one atom, it's considered the same element. Compounds, of course, are basically all the rest of these in this picture. In terms of the periodic table shows you all of the elements that are known in nature. There's a little bit over 111 of them. There's a few of them over here that have now kind of shown up and we've identified. But for the most part, these are the ones that we need to know. We'll focus on a lot of these guys over here, the first two groups. We'll focus on a lot of these nonmetals that are in this corner, and then a few of these transition metals that are here in the middle. For the most part, we ignore the ones down here except for when we deal with nuclear radioactivity stuff, nuclear chemistry.